Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today video we will discuss about the data types and variables. So let's discuss about some basic things. So what is the Python syntax and indentation? So Python syntax is simple, clean and easy to read, which makes Python very popular for the beginners. Python use indentation to define code blocks instead of the curly braces. In other language, the C, Java or JavaScript, we are using the curly braces for the set of code blocks. For the single line comments, we are using the hash, and for the multi-line comments, we are using the triple quote, double quote open, and at the last, I created one file data type variable.py to print hello world. Open the terminal, Python space file name. Here the hello world. A variable name as a name is equal to raw. So I'm trying to do here adding the condition if name is equal to raw, then I'm printing here one message hello raw. So you can see here there is no open and curly braces for the if block. So for that we can use here the for space or one time before that here. We can use the hash before the starting of the sentence. Line comments then we can use like this. Statements. A computer program is a list of instructions to be executed by a computer. In a programming language, these programming instructions are called statement. In Python, semicolon is not required end of the sentence or statements. What is the variable in Python? A variable is a container used to store data value in Python. A variable in Python is a name that refers to a value stored in memory. It is used to store data so that it can be used, modified, and reused in a program. So that means the variable is an identity of any value. There is some set of rules for defining a variable. Any variable must be start with a letter or underscore. Variable can contain letters, numbers, and underscore. It cannot be start with a number, cannot use with the space or Python keywords. Python keywords like for, if, else. There is some key points about the variables. So no data type declaration needed. Value can be changed. Python is case sensitive. The data types in Python there is multiple data types like text type, set type, numerical type, boolean, sequence, binary, mapping, none type. In text types like the string, so that one defined as str. Set types set and frozen. Numeric types integer, float, complex. Boolean type, sequence type, list, tuple, range. Binary types, bytes, byte array, memory view. Mapping type we define as a none. That's all in this video. We will discuss typecasting in next video. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next topic. Thank you for watching. Thank you.